How to create a State Farm online account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to create a State Farm online account. Let's get started. Open up your browser. Head over to statefarm.com. Then you'll see login option in the top right. Tap on it first. Then after it loads up, you'll need to tap on create an account to the option at the bottom. And then you'll need to put in your phone number and your date of birth. So there is claim number option, but this is optional. You need to hit continue and OTP code will be sent to your phone number that you just entered. And you'll need to verify your account and they will give you an user ID. And that's it. Your State Farm account has been created. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.